Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech On. Friends, today I'm going to show that how to go download mode of your Samsung mobile. Friends, if you want to flash your mobile, like Samsung mobile, first you have to go on download mode. Without download mode, you can't flash your Samsung mobile, as you know, right? So my friends, for this, simply you can go on download mode of Samsung mobile. So you have to plug in the cable on your computer, the USB side first. After that, you have to turn off your mobile, my friends. But if you forget the password or the pattern of your Samsung mobile and you want to give the flash, first you have to go on download mode, right? You have to need to go in download mode. So how it goes on the time, how it go or how it turn off your mobile, right? So friends, for this simply you have to do volume down button and power button together, and after that when screen will be off and you will get 1, 2 or 3 seconds maximum. You have to use on the time. You have to plug in your charging port. This is my friends. I'm charging you, right? Because you have to use only that time. By using that time, you can go on download mode. But normally, if your phone is off, turn off, or you can turn off your mobile like this. After that, you have to do one thing. See, there is a volume up button and volume down button, right? So simply you have to press volume up button and volume down button together. After pressing volume up and down button, you have to plug in your cable on the charging port like this, my friends. I'll show you. First, you have to press volume up button, then volume down button, then plug in the port on the charging area. See my friends, I am going here, right? The warning. See, there is warning, right? Then my friends, simply you have to press volume up button from here only once and see what is going on. Now press volume up button. See my friends, there is download mode, right? So now if I want to flash my mobile, I can do it, right? So because my mobile is ready to flash now. Now my friends, if you want to go in normal mode, how you can go from here? See, there is a volume down key plus side key for more than 7 seconds. So you have to press volume down button and the power button more than 7 seconds you have to press. Then you'll go on the down. Then you'll go on normal mode. So I'll press now because I'm not flash right now. I'm showing how to go on down mode. So first I'll press volume down button, then power button, and I'll press more than 7 seconds here. After that, you'll see I'm in normal mode. See my friends, my screen is off, right? And see it has been erased, right? So my friends, like this if you want, easily you can go on download mode of your Samsung mobile. Friends, to go download mode of your Samsung mobile is an easy process, right? But if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answers as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.